Hi, good morning. This is Juan Felipe Hernandez Palacio, and this is my JavaScript laboratory BlackJack game. Let's take a look into the functionality before we even start. I am using the live server plugin in order to be displayed on the server automatically. On the browser. So we got our main page, software BlackJack game. Are you ready to play with us? And a button for a new game. Once we place new game, once we click the new game button, it is going to ask for our name. So I am going to place it, Juan Felipe, and click into OK. It's going to say hi to me and draw the first two cards. So numeric cards values 100 and ace, J, Q, and K values 500. So I can still start a new game, draw a card, or go back. So just let me draw another card. You can keep drawing. Total price 700. I just take another numeric, draw a card. 1200, a K, that is 10 points, so 18 points. And if I lost, we're sorry, you just lost your prize for $1,300. So I can just start a new game and have a new name on it. It needs to be retyped, or it's not going to start the game. So I'm just going back, new game. Let's place Juan, hi Juan, 13 points, keep drawing. Okay, we lost. Let's see until we win a game. Okay, so we win $2,500 for scoring a blackjack. We have $1,000 extra. We get a J that is scores 10, $500. We got an A that is scores a 1, so that is 11 points, another $500. And then we take a K that is scores another 10 points, so that is exactly 21, $1,500, and extra $1,000 for taking a blackjack. So as we already win, the draw button is no longer working, so we can place a new game or go back. So now we can go into the code. So into our index.html main page, that is going to be it's going to be this page, the one with just the new game button. Is going to have the style sheet from CSS that we're going to see later. JavaScript laboratory, software BlackJack game. Are you ready to play with us? And it's going to redirect to another HTML page that is called game page. Is this one over here? Is going to include the scopes for card, score, and price. That is going to be updated while the game is going on. So now we have the new game button in order to reload the page with a new game, the draw card button, the HTML button from going back into the main page, and then we got the scripts for the JavaScript document. And this is an external, like a framework, in order to place the alerts that you are seeing. So now we go into the JS file. We got a card object, a card array with an object inside of it. It's going to have all the cards with the prices amounts and also the score amounts, how much is going to score that card. So we create a new array with the cards that are going to be placed. We track the bottoms from the to HTML page by this command over here, by taking it by the ID that we take. Then we place the event listener for click into new game and random cards. From draw a bottom is going to make a click event into render cards. So now we got into function the new game. This is the first bottom. It's going to load, reload the page. Then we got this first advice is in order to place your name on it. It is going to say hi to you again once you place your name, and it's going to place it into the HTML file as well. So if a name is not placed, the alert is going to keep going on until you place your name again, and it's not going to let you play. Okay, so this is the random array. In order to generate the random cards, so we generate the const call rand math.floor math random cards length. This is for the length of the cards array that we got right here. Okay, so we assign a new value, random value cards inside the array, the random assigned, and then we push into the new value. Okay, this is the loading method in order to provide the first two cards. Then we got a reload on the page, and then we go to render cards. We initialize right here the total score and the price and the total price. We call the random array method in order to have the first two cards, and we make a map for the array that we got up here in order to add all the information. So we keep accumulating the score for the cards and the price for the cards. If a score total is equal to 21, it's going to immediately give you 1000 for the price into your price total, and it's going to bring the alert that you win and that you score a blackjack. If it's less than 21, it's going to keep telling you that you can keep drawing cards, and it's going to tell you your price total. And if it's more than 21, it is going to say, we're sorry, you just lost your prize for and the accumulated price. Okay, and this is going to be all into this th etiquettes, I think it's called. And now we can go into the CSS part. We got a margin and a padding for general page. Into the body, we got a family font that I create specifically for this page with this like casino letter type. It is save it and download it into the fonts folder. Okay, so we got it right here. Font family casino is this one over here that was created. The background image, it's another one that was downloaded, but I save it into a folder as well for not being downloaded again or having a problem with it. From the H1, this H1 belongs to Sofka BlackJack game. We place a gold color. I'm trying to use the color palette for casino, that is yellow, red, black, and green. Okay, for the messages, or yeah, for the messages that are changing constantly, like this one, are you ready to play? You want to draw another card? This CSS part belongs to them. Now we got the tables that are popping up, and the THs, and the bottoms are going to be the letter on black, the background on green, and the border on red. So yeah, that is it. Let's make another more game. Hi, draw a card, and I just lost because I just placed 25 points.